Monday night in Memphis, the Phoenix Suns and Memphis Grizzlies met at FedEx Forum in the final stretch of the regular season, a period where individual performances begin to carry compounded significance for both standings positioning and organizational evaluation. For the Suns, the primary question heading into the contest was whether the offensive production that has defined their most competitive stretches this season could be sustained on the road. For Memphis, a young roster operating without several of its projected contributors, the challenge was defensive containment against a guard-heavy Phoenix unit. Neither question remained open for long. The final scoreline? Phoenix 131, Memphis 105. A 26-point margin, executed across 48 minutes. The statistical anchor of the game was Devin Booker's individual output. Booker finished with 36 points, converting 16 of 24 field goal attempts, a shooting efficiency of 66.7% from the field. The sequence that defined his evening in structural terms occurred at the end of the third quarter. With the game tight and Phoenix requiring a lead heading into the final period, Booker banked in a straightaway three-pointer at the buzzer, a conversion that gave the Suns a 2-point advantage entering the fourth quarter. That particular play did not immediately close the contest. Memphis responded at the opening of the fourth quarter with G.G. Jackson scoring at the rim to level the game at 91 apiece. At that point, the outcome remained open. What followed was a decisive 11-point Phoenix run. Rasheer Fleming secured an offensive rebound and converted the putback with 11 minutes and 14 seconds remaining, the possession that gave Phoenix the lead for good. Oso Ighodaro extended the advantage with a dunk on the following sequence. Colin Gillespie added a three-pointer and a jumper in succession. Then Jordan Goodwin intercepted a Memphis pass and pushed the ball ahead to Ryan Dunn for a fast break finish, capping an 11-0 run and effectively resolving the competitive portion of the game. The separation extended further. Goodwin and Fleming hit consecutive three-pointers, 21 seconds apart, pushing the Phoenix lead to 108-95 with 6 minutes and 59 seconds remaining on the clock. Memphis did not recover from that deficit. On the broader Phoenix statistical picture, the Suns shot 50.5% from the field on 55 of 109 attempts and connected on 17 three-pointers as a team. Jalen Green contributed 21 points in a secondary scoring role alongside Booker. Colin Gillespie produced 11 points, all of which came in the fourth quarter, supplemented by 10 assists. Both Ighodaro and Fleming also finished with 11 points apiece, each contributing at distinct stages of the game's decisive run. For Memphis, the statistical distribution across 4 contributors reflected a team that competed through 3 quarters but could not sustain defensive structure during the Phoenix run in the fourth. Tyler Burton led the Grizzlies with 17 points. Cam Spencer posted 16. G.G. Jackson and Jemai Mashak each recorded 14 points. Jackson's fourth quarter opening score briefly leveled the game and represented the closest Memphis came to reclaiming the lead in the second half. The 11-point run that immediately followed removed that margin and did not allow for further recovery. Memphis was outscored by a combined 26 points, a deficit reflective not of a single quarter's collapse, but of Phoenix's sustained efficiency in converting open looks generated through its ball movement structure.